Hello friends, in this video we teach how to convert VGA port to AV. For this you need to use a VGA to AV converter, which you can see example of here. A VGA converter, VGA to AV converter is a device that is used to convert a computer or CCTV, NVR, DVR, CCTV, VGA, digital audio video signal into an analog signal AV. For example, a computer VGA card, here VGA output, graphic card or laptop, or NVR and DVR CCTV by VGA out. For example, I use a CCTV NVR here camera. It is often used to connect a laptop computer to television set, allowing the user to play movie and game on their respective television. Convert is also useful for connecting a printer to computer. Firstly, for use this device, for test and use this device, first connect the power supply cable here, USB power, you can see mini USB connector here, and this port connector USB to charger or female USB, for example USB port laptop, you can here for power supply. That's good. The second step is to connect the VGA cable to the output of computer or CCTV camera. I use the CCTV camera VGA output here, connect the VGA cable here, that's good, output, and connect the other end of cable to VGA input of converter. You can see here VGA input. If you have a audio output, you can connect here audio. The third step is to connect the AV cable to the output of converter. Here red, here white, here, and video connector yellow here. That's good. Finally, connect the other end of the AV cable to the TV input. For example, 3 input TV or one input, you can use this or use this. New TV it have a one connector. Okay, as you can see, AV input one connector. I connect AV input. Okay, select AV as the source on TV. AV. That's good. Now we no signal here. No signal. No signal. Okay. I should connect the VGA cable to input converter. That's good. Okay, wow, you can see CCTV camera. I go to CCTV camera menu. You can see here we convert VGA port of CCTV camera, VGA port of to converter, VGA to AV to AV television. Please subscribe and like this video, support our channel, and I hope this video useful for you. Thank you very much. Goodbye.